The woman accused of breaking into a Town of Holland auto repair shop makes her first appearance in court.
37-year-old Amy Zilke is being charged with burglary and concealing stolen property after breaking into Gibbons Auto Service early Monday morning. According to the criminal complaint, Zilke admitted to robbing another business in Galesville earlier that night. She's previously been convicted in 3 other burglaries in this past year.
The burglary charge carries a maximum sentence of 12.5 years in prison, but as a repeat offender, the sentence could be increased by up to 6 years.
The owner of Gibbons Auto Service confronted Zilke and shot her in the leg before police arrived.
But when is it legally okay to defend yourself or property with a gun or other weapon if you find yourself in the same situation? News 8's Madeline O'Neill now joins us with the answers.
Martha and Mike, under the Castle Doctrine in Wisconsin, you can shoot in self-defense if someone forcibly breaks into your property, but you can't use deadly force if you're protecting just your property. It may sound black and white in theory, but in real-life situations, there is a lot of gray area. It doesn't happen often.
They try to do it when there's no one home so that they don't get caught.
But if you're ever face-to-face with an intruder on your property and you have a weapon to defend yourself, you don't want to be shooting in the dark.
If you, in the eyes of the law, didn't have the right to shoot someone, then you could be charged with any one of a number of felony convictions.
Business owner Dave Gibbons lives above his auto shop near Holman and went downstairs after seeing 37-year-old Amy Zilke on security cameras. Gibbons says Zilke dropped a crowbar and he shot her in the leg.
At 9:39.
Thanks to Wisconsin law, prosecutors have decided it was in his rights to do so.
So it appears to me that the DA has made the decision that the property owner was defending himself. Apparently his wife was upstairs, his wife, and his property. Under those circumstances, the Castle Doctrine, or 939 and 48, comes into play.
Lawyers say, according to Wisconsin's Castle Doctrine, if someone unlawfully and forcibly entered another's property, the property owner can use deadly force if he or she has reason to believe that it was necessary to prevent great bodily harm.
It's absolutely a case-by-case thing.
It's all how the situation unfolds at that exact time and what that person perceives at that exact time.
So make sure you think before you pull the trigger.
The first thing they should think of is, do I really want to confront this person, or do I want to let the police do their job? You need to think very hard about, if I do confront this person, am I criminally and civilly liable for what my actions are?
Now, according to the La Crosse County's district attorney, the business owner will not face any charges because he is protected under the Castle Doctrine. As mentioned, prosecutors determine on a case-by-case basis if they are responsible for shooting them.
All right, thanks a lot, Madeline. And laws vary from state to state. In Minnesota, for instance, any use of force must be reasonable under the specific circumstances of each case.